Officers conducted a traffic stop after observing a vehicle run a stop sign. What began as a routine stop quickly escalated. Watch as the situation unfolds and see how a simple traffic violation turned into an arrest. This video provides a look at real police encounters.
Yo, your registration.
It's expired?
Yeah, October. Your birthday in October?
Yeah, but I forgot.
That's why I'm saying. I'm looking at it, I'm like, this shit can't be real.
So
Yeah, just the license, the registration, and whatever insurance you got.
You got a little glitter right here.
Huh? Yeah, it's from the 801 Queens. You guys doing all right?
Is anything open on the bar right now, like Rick's or anything like that?
Yeah, Rick's open. I don't know. I ain't really been down there. I know Rick's open. Tiki House should be. Tats and Scars.
Virginia was Thursday too, right? Yeah, but this is definitely, they're open every fucking day. No, but on Thursdays they do their Spanish night. Their Spanish night.
Yeah, we gotta think about this.
Just keep looking for it, all right? When you bring it up, you can.
Driving wrong?
Yeah, we just came from the tree by the school. I took pictures.
Tree by the school.
Oh, Bayview?
Yeah, we were just
in the park. Gotcha.
and then we decided to drive down here and just see what was open for
You
food.
got insurance? Because it showed no insurance on
He's
it.
looking for it right now. He's got his app pulled up. All right. Hey, go ahead and step out for me, driver. And we're gonna walk over here. You can step out too, miss.
My bag, or leave it.
No, you can leave it.
We're gonna walk over there to where that tree is. Right side. Leave all your stuff in the car.
Yeah, just go over there.
You know what I'm right?
Okay.
Okay, fine, good.
Look good, just leave it. It'll be all right. All right. Just, I don't know what your ritual for. Just leave that. Leave it. And go walk over there.
We're all getting out. You can leave your stuff in the car.
Well, can you just give me a second because I just have surgery on my tonsils?
Okay. You can leave all your stuff in the car. You can leave your bag in the car.
Yeah, but can I just grab my bag?
You can leave your bag in the car.
Well, I can't really get out because I just had an,
You can step out.
Yeah, but I just took medication, so I'm like woozy.
I hear you. We'll be here to help you.
Yeah, I got it.
Can you step out, please?
Alright. Can you just back up for a second and give me?
No, you're okay.
Sorry.
All right, come on. You're prolonging this. Come on.
Just give me a second.
Just step out the car, please. Everyone got out easy but you. And we're going to take you out.
Please get out of the car.
I was just trying to explain.
Okay, you want to get out or we're going to pull you out?
No, I'm gonna get out.
Okay, so get out.
Can you just explain to me what's
Okay,
going on?
I'm about to put you in cuffs.
Get out.
I'm not playing this game. Everybody got out but you.
Okay, well, it's just he's too close to me.
You can get
Please,
out.
okay.
Okay. Get out.
Please.
What are you hiding?
It's just my phone. It's just my phone.
Go.
Were you playing these games?
Because I took
okay,
medicine.
go.
I had my
Go.
wisdom teeth taken out, so I
Go,
took
okay.
medicine. So I'm a little woozy.
No, you're not. You're walking perfectly fine. What's in that car that you don't want us to see?
Nothing. I don't have anything.
Get her stuff.
I'm just nervous with police. That's it.
I don't know why you're freaking out. If y'all not doing nothing wrong, what are you freaking out for?
I just had bad
When-
experience
okay,
with police.
but listen, you weren't freaked out the other day where you had all our guns drawn at Taco Bell. So why are you freaked out now?
Well,
You were
I
all
was-
into it. You were
I
recording.
wasn't. Yeah, that's because I know the guy, and you guys came a little crazy to him. That's all.
Okay, but you see, you weren't scared then, but now you're scared. That makes no sense.
It's just because
Everybody got out
I mean,
easy.
if you guys were to test me right now, I have narcotics inside of me because I just had my wisdom teeth removed yesterday.
Is it prescribed?
So I guess it's prescribed.
Okay.
But I've never taken
What is
medication like this.
Ibuprofen.
No, it's ibuprofen 800, and then they gave me amoxicillin, and then, babe, what's the other medicine they gave me?
Hydrocodone, ibuprofen.
And so I
But you
took
get all
all of
that
them before I left because I was in pain. So
Right,
that's why I
but
was a
it's
little
okay if you
nervous,
took
that's
it, but
Let's start talking.
yeah, I mean, she says there is narcotics in there. She just got a wisdom teeth pulled, and she's got
amphetamine based or something.
yeah, she got like hydrocodone and some stuff. But the thing is she did not want to get out.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that because I was at the front of your car just waiting with him. On the driver's side, he hit the scene. I was like, huh. But he didn't. There was no follow through on the passenger side. He went real slow, and then because of the sidewalk, and it was right at the front passenger door. Could be amphetamine based. Could be she's full of shit. Could be.
Yeah.
Just get one of those out too.
She got a dental schedule, so. She got some prescription. And when y'all pulled up on me that the other day at Fosto's and when I had the Quintana, he said that that he was getting a meth for the back passenger.
Oh,
Yeah.
that. We're gonna find the money. Nothing. Oh, stop it. Bro, nothing.
Oh, we got a single zero.
What?
Yep.
Oh, that's what she was lying.
Nah, too. We got a single zero in the car.
I'm still here. Unbelievable. Copy. Going back to one.
It's a friendly question. We're gonna have to be friendly if you don't want to.
What's up?
No, I just asked him how long we've been together.
We've been in a double relationship. Just a little bit.
In a double relationship? I don't know what the
Poly relationship.
Poly.
That means they're all dating, right?
We're both married. We're married.
All three of you guys are married.
No, me and her are married.
You guys are married,
Legally married.
also dating him.
Yeah, I'm dating.
Yeah, we have to go to Utah thing, so we got all get married.
That law is not passed. I told you that. You can't
It's
marry
coming.
multiple people.
Are you guys Mormon?
Mormon? No. What is that?
It's a religion where they believe in plural marriage.
Muslim. I'm gonna be a Muslim one day.
I did not have a gun.
I didn't even know.
Damn, that's
it was on
wild.
the green card.
Refusing to get out of the car.
Huh?
Refusing to get out of the car.
I didn't refuse.
Around between the seats and stuff.
I wasn't.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I mean, you can't tell me what I did if you weren't, you know. You
If
didn't
I
see
wasn't
it.
right there
Yeah,
watching
but
you.
you didn't see anything, so.
What's your name?
My name? Officer Vanderhoof.
How you say that?
Officer Vanderhoof.
Vanderhoof.
She got it.
Captain, just please don't talk right now.
The wife got it.
Can I at least make a phone call, please?
No.
When am I able to do that?
I don't know. Either when we're done or if we go to jail, you get one at the jail.
But aren't we allowed to like make a phone call right now?
No.
You just answer the question.
No, because I'm...
Not while you're detained, no.
No, I was... the way he threw my vape, so like... Damn. Can I hit it?
No.
Yeah.
Can you just relax, please?
Said you had your medicine with you?
No, it's at my home. I took it before I left. I took 2 600 ibuprofens, the amoxicillin, and what else? Hydrocodone. It shouldn't be in the car.
My medication is.
His medication's in the car.
I don't know what's called, but it's in the middle console.
He said he doesn't know the name, but it's in the middle. Look. You don't see that?
Oh, I see him.
Oh my god.
That's Ratatouille.
Yeah, he's prepping food for tomorrow.
Yep, that's what I see.
How many people do we have?
3.
How many were in the car? 3?
All 3 of them, yeah.
I think it's weed. No white on it. We're just scratching the surface, and then shit's coming out. Coming out. We got fucking gun, this, and
Yeah. She's just unsteady right now.
right. I'm just curious as to what else. Again, cuffs can only come off. Not a big deal. It's gonna be the who owns the gun.
Yeah. It's stolen.
But yeah. This is it.
On 93 stop. Copy.
Cell phones. From back here too.
Yeah.
Couple little speckles right in there, but it's really faint.
Yeah. Is it nicotine thing?
Yeah, they're all sealed. Whoa, look at that. That was a good one.
Off this?
Right there.
Oh, that is very blue.
Yeah.
And it's,
I'll rub whatever you want.
It's a boy.
there's cocaine residue
All over.
throughout. In the trunk and everything.
All over.
Yeah, he
Just
found
trace
some up
them
front.
out.
Yeah. And then we got the scale, which in itself isn't.
But with, you're more, and it would don't deny it, but with all the cocaine residue that we found in the scale, in the jars.
Well, the scale. I mean, we could try wiping it again. I just did a quick wipe and I didn't get anything. If there's no residue on the scale, these two are not linked, even
Okay.
though we know they're linked. And like these jars, I guarantee it held weed. With the,
Do me a favor. I'm just gonna have you stand up. I'll help you out. You ready? It's on this right side of the screen.
Yes.
Okay, you want to answer my questions? Cooperate for that. Okay. So, whose firearm is that?
I'm being so bad, actually. It's not mine. I know for sure it's not Catherine's, because Catherine literally, I've been hanging out with her for a couple of days. It was the first time she's been in my car. And then Dennis, he gives people rides all the
Are you guys
time.
co-owners?
Huh?
Like, are you on the registration
No,
too?
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm on the insurance. He said he hasn't paid.
You wear these a lot?
Yeah.
I can tell.
Love them. Not the socks, the brand new.
The socks are brand new.
Yes.
What's that tattoo say? Beautiful disaster?
Yep.
Did that hurt on your foot?
Had to.
Actually,
Yeah,
it did. And
yeah.
that's back in the day when we used to smoke K2. Like when Spice was around. I was like 15 years old.
Jeez.
Smoking at 15.
I know K2, right? It's crazy.
Did it hurt more than your face?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't hurt the most though.
Really?
Yeah, and the one that I got in between my legs.
Oh, yeah. I would think that your legs would hurt.
A lot of cash in there.
Nah.
Stripper money.
Stripper money.
Stripper money, huh? Yeah, boy.
You're a stripper?
Nah, I love strippers.
You love strippers. But you got two girlfriends.
So what?
How much does one man need?
Same thing.
How much can you handle? He's insatiable. How much can you handle?
Not as much as you, I guess. You're a lot better than me.
Can I hit that? I ain't gonna hurt nobody.
All right. Just quick question. Are you registered as a convicted felon in the county?
Yeah.
All right. So you're gonna come with me. Possession of a firearm, a convicted felon, and then you're going for resisting.
When did I resist?
When we told you 5 times to get out the car, and
But
you
I still
refused.
got up on my own. You guys did not take me.
Cállate la boca. You can charge it on my possession.
Yeah, what you want? Okay, wallet, phone. What else you want?
There's another pair of keys.
In the car? No.
Y'all told my car, right?
Yeah.
There should be another pair of keys, like house keys with the car keys.
All right. All right, I'll go look for them. Should be another pair of keys in there. Those are all your phones?
All 3 of them?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What?
No, I'm just curious.
2 work. 2 of them work, and the other one doesn't. It's just for like pictures, memories, Snapchat,
No problem with me.
OnlyFans, whatever you want.
Yeah, no problem with me.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna be released. So just stand up. We're gonna take you out of cuffs. You can put your boots back on and all that.
After speaking with Jalissa, the officer attempted to question Dennis. However, he invoked his rights and chose not to speak. Throughout Dennis' criminal history, it was discovered that he was a convicted felon. Based on the facts and evidence, Jalissa was in violation of FS 843.02, resisting without violence.
We will be notifying your probation officer.
Yes.
Either me or one of the sergeants or whoever. Huh? So I would notify them.
Right away.
Yeah, notify them now. Give them a voicemail or something.
I didn't know what the fuck was on the car.
Yeah, nobody knew, so you can't do nothing about that. Alright?
But would I get in trouble being around? Bueno, suave, pero cógelo.
These are yours?
I got mine are on the. Yeah, these are mine.
No, they're mine.